Hello friends, in this video we will solve this question. It is a set exam question. The correct reagents or reaction conditions for the following conversions A, B and C are. These are the options. Before starting, I would like to talk about the stereochemistry of trans-decalin. We have a methyl group in the axial position over here. And I will talk only about these two positions in this video. This is the axial position for this point and this is the equatorial position for this point. Since the axial position is pointing upwards, any substituent present over here will be known as above the plane of the paper. Since this equatorial position is pointing downwards, any substituent present here will be shown as below the plane of the paper. For this point, this is the axial position and this is the equatorial position. Since the axial position is facing downwards, any substituent present over here will be shown as below the plane of the paper, and below the plane of the paper we show it with dotted lines. This equatorial bond is shown as above the plane of the paper since it is pointing upwards. So any substituent present here will be shown as above the plane of the paper. So when we consider these 3 points which are above the plane of the paper, this methyl group over here, any substituent on the axial position here and any substituent which is on the equatorial position here, they will be above the plane of the paper. The substituent over here in the equatorial position and here in the axial position will always be shown in the below the plane of the paper. Let us get back to the question. When you consider the stereochemistry of this product from path A, this methyl group is above the plane of the paper and these two hydroxyl group are below the plane of the paper. Since they are opposite in stereochemistry, that means osmium tetroxide was the useful reagent here. Since osmium tetroxide is a big molecule, it will always attack from the opposite stereochemistry of this methyl group. So the syn addition of osmium tetroxide to the double bond from the face opposite to the bridgehead methyl group will furnish a cis 1,2-diol. When you draw the normal hexagonal shape, the stereochemistry will be this methyl group will be shown above the plane of the paper. This group will be shown below the plane of the paper since it was in axial position here. This will also be shown below the plane of the paper since it is in the equatorial position. When you consider the stereochemistry of this product, these two hydroxyl groups are trans to each other and it is achievable only with the help of trifluoroporacetic acid. When you draw this structure in the normal hexagonal shape, this methyl group again it will be shown above the plane of the paper with wedge dash line, and this group, since it is on the axial position, it is above the plane of the paper, it will be again wedge dash, and this will be in the dotted line since it is below the plane of the paper. When you consider the stereochemistry of this product, this methyl group is in the axial position, this OH in the axial position, and this is in the equatorial position. It is achievable with the help of Ag complex. When you draw it in the normal hexagonal shape, this methyl group again in the axial position, so wedge thick line, and this above the plane of the paper again thick line, and this OH again above the plane of the paper, so thick line. Option 3 becomes the right choice. There is another way of achieving anti-dihydroxylation by the Prevost conditions. This is the reagents used, and it will lead to the formation of these products.